Hope you are doing well and fine. So today we are going to start the next exercise. 4.3 question number 3, right? So before starting exercise, we can do it. One thing I want to make it clear: we can do it in any method. Okay, so there is no issue that you have to do it in same method or whatever, right? So you can use it any method, whatever you like, but it should be a correct one, right? So come to this one, first one. So here 4 is equal to 5p minus 2. So first we will going to multiply this because this 5 is outside the bracket. So 5 into p, 5p minus 5 into 2, 10, right? Now then we are going to transpose this 5 to LHS and this 4 to RHS. So transposing 5p to LHS and 4 to RHS. So it will be like this. When this plus 5p come here, it will get minus 5p is equal to minus 10. First we have to write this, and when we shift this plus 4 this side, it will get minus. So minus 5p is equal to minus 14. So we have to find the value of p. P is equal to minus 14 by minus 5. This minus get cancelled, so it will become 14 by 5. So therefore p is equal to 14 by 5 is the solution for this question. Hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. Now come to question number B. B is homework for you. Okay, I have done the first one. It is same like first one. Instead of this 4, minus 4 is written there, right? So you can do it. So come to question number C. So as I told you, this 3 is outside the bracket, so we are going to multiply this 3 with t plus 2, and first we are going to shift this 4 to LHS, right? So transposing 4 to LHS, so this plus 4 will become minus 4. So 16 minus 4 is equal to 3 into t, 3t. 3 into t is 3t, 3 into 2, 6. Okay, so it will become 12 is equal to 3t plus 6. Okay, so we are going to shift now this plus 6 to LHS. So transposing 6 to LHS, so it will become 12 minus 6 is equal to 3t. So this is 6 is equal to 3t. Now we can find the value of t. T is equal to, or you can write it like this, or 3t is equal to 6. In this way also we can write it. Now t is equal to 6 by 3. So when you cut it, you will get 2. So t is equal to 2. This is the solution for this question. So just go through it. Okay, now come to question number D. So here 4 plus 5 p minus 1 is equal to 34. So here in this question we are going to transpose this 4 to RHS. Okay. Transposing 4 to RHS, so it will become, this plus 4 will become minus. So 5p minus 1 is equal to 34 minus 4. Now we are going to multiply this 5 with p and this 1. So 5 into p. We can do it in another method also. Okay, so it will become 30. Now divide 5 on both sides, so it will become 5p minus 1 is equal to 30 by 5 by 5. So we can cut this 5, we can solve this, so it will become 6. So here, rest I am writing here, okay? Please don't put this arrow, okay? So p minus 1 is equal to 6. Now we are going to shift this minus 1 to RHS. So transposing minus 1 to RHS. So what it becomes? P is equal to 6, this plus 1, that is 7. So P is equal to 7. This is the solution for this question. Just go through it. Okay, now we are going to do the next one. In the previous question, B and is homework for you. And in this question, we have to construct 3 equations when x is equal to 2. Already I have sent the video. In the previous video, you can see that. So here, I am going to multiply both sides by 10. Any number you can take it, whatever you want to take. So x into 10 is equal to 10 into 2, that is 10x is equal to 20. Now if you want to add something or subtract something, you can do it. Add three on both sides, so it will become like this: 10x plus 3 is equal to 20 plus 3, that is 23. Okay, now we can subtract 3 on both sides. So this is first equation, this is second equation. So 10x minus 3 is equal to, so 20 minus 3 is 17. So this is our third equation. So in this way we have to make equations. So next question B part is homework for you. Okay, for today it is up to this much. I am uploading the video. From the next class you will get the rest of the questions. So here equation 1 is 10x is equal to 20. Equation 2 is 10x plus 3 is equal to 23, and the third equation is 10x minus 3 70. So in this way you can make it more equations in the next question. Okay, so the next question is homework for you. Just go for it.